Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Shein network error, guys. So if you have got this problem, I will show you 3 different methods how to solve this problem. First of all, guys, you need to check if you have got the most up-to-date version of the app. So to check this, you need to go to the Play Store, and in the search, you need to type Shein. And when you open the Shein app, at the moment I have got this blue open button, but if you have got update written instead of open, that means you don't have the latest version of the app, so you need to update your app. So the process is similar to App Store. So once you will update your app, most likely this problem will be fixed, guys. But if you have got the latest version, you can do other thing, guys. You can open the Shein app, then click Me in the bottom right menu. Click the gear icon in the top right, and right here in this menu you need to find clear cache. Click it and clear your Shein app cache, guys. This might help you and fix the problem, but if you still have got the problem, I'll show you the last thing you can do. You can change your network, guys. For example, if you are using the Wi-Fi, you can change your network to different Wi-Fi, or you can just turn off the Wi-Fi, or you can just switch to the mobile internet, guys. Changing the network, the IP address might help you to fix the Shein network error, guys. So that's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.